Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold higher to close out week. Gold rises on a weaker dollar and falling yields. And this is the chart of DXY, dollar index in front of us, and dollar index was overall bullish throughout the week. But if you look at the chart of gold, gold has been disappointing. As we all know, for the last couple of days, gold is trading in a very narrow range, because of which the trading opportunities are limited. As you can see on the chart that I have drawn many lines, so let's try to understand them one by one. My dear friends, this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. Overall, market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. So if you are holding your buy on gold as a positional trader, then obviously you can hold your buy position because the chart is bullish. But if you focus on the present candles here, then we can clearly see the market is not bullish. Okay, the structure of the market is sideways, or you can say the market is looking for a direction. Overall, the chart may be bullish, but if you're a day trader and you are looking for positions on gold, then obviously you are struggling, and obviously, okay, we don't know, okay, when this struggle is going to end. And sadly, there is not much volatility also in the market. When we get a trending market, it becomes easier for us to trade. But when we get a choppy market, then obviously it is hard to trade. And my dear friends, if you still have not joined the free Telegram community, then please join for regular updates, analysis, and many more things. Be careful because there are lots of scams also going on in my name. For example, you can see this is a group with 72,000 subscribers, but this is a scam in my name. So be careful, all these are scams. Only join the group with the link in the description. Okay. And this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we have already discussed in a previous video also that the range of gold is 3375 on the upside and 328582 on the downside. So this is the range of gold. Now if gold needs to be bullish, then it needs to cross 3375. Then we can expect that gold is heading towards 3400. If it comes down, then we can expect the market to take support around 328582. Chances of gold going for a trend reversal or downtrend is very less. So I feel that we have a higher chance of gold getting bullish again, because gold has already tested the resistance of 3375 couple of times. You can see around 4 times gold has tested already. Okay, so there's a high chance that in the next attempt gold will be able to break the level and move higher. And more or less, I won't say that gold is bullish, but more or less the internal structure is also bullish here. So the range of gold is 3375 328582, but there's a high chance that gold will be going up because gold has already tested the black line at the top 4 times already. Okay, so where are the trading opportunities then? The market opening is going to be obviously important for us. Okay, as we have already discussed in the previous videos also, that if gold um, falls, then we have a good support around 329896 area. Yes, this support is still very much valid, but chances of market going to this level is very less. We also have a support around 331310. This support is also still very much valid, but chances of market going to these levels are very less. So let's not waste time by discussing about these far off levels, but yes, they are present. Okay, so we need to discuss about the immediate levels, but keep in mind immediate levels obviously, okay, they will give us trading opportunities, but immediate levels means they are from the lower time frame, and levels from lower time frame are less reliable in comparison to higher time frame. Okay, so the levels that we are about to discuss right now are from the lower time frame, so please follow proper risk management at the time of trade execution. So after the market opening, if we see that gold is going down, okay, if we see the market is going down, then the first support where we can look for a buy is this dotted line here. Okay, what is this level? 3344. 3344 is the first level on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. If we see the market is going down with small candles, means low volume downside. Okay, this is the immediate level where you can look for at least 40 to 50 pips initially. Okay, then we also have another support around 3341. So you can say 334441 is a range for gold right now. Why are we considering this area as a support for gold for Monday? Because of FIBO. You can see we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, plus we can see that we also have the previous, this one, see, the previous resistance will be working as support. We have combined price action and Fibonacci, and we have derived 3341 3344 as a support on a market condition, okay, where there is not much crazy volatility, especially Monday market. We can expect that it will provide support to the market. And if it fails, because gold is full of surprises, isn't it? There was a time when we used to see silent market opening, but recently there is no guarantee about a market opening. So if we see that there is a sudden drop on gold, gold is crazy. Okay, in that scenario, your next support will be around um, triple three four and 3332. This is the next support zone on the chart of gold where you can look for a buy position. Why? Because of previous support around this area. So in simple words, 334144 is a support if market is low volatile. If market is high volatile, then 3332 is the support. Okay, then we also have a support around 3328 and 3320. These are also support levels on the chart of gold. Okay, why are we considering this? Okay, you can see that because of FIBO. Okay, again we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level and FIBO 78.6, plus the previous resistance will also be working as support here. And if you're wondering what is this red line, okay, this red line is not important because this was the level from where market bounced. This was FIBO 0.236. Okay, so after the market opening, if you see that gold is going down, if it is low volatile, 3341 3344 is the support. Otherwise, 3332 is the support in case of high volatility. Okay, HL. Okay, and we also have support around 3328 because of FIBO 61.8% retracement level, and we also have a support around 3320. Okay, because of FIBO 78.6 plus the previous resistances will be working as support here. So these are the levels where we can look for a buy position. And if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure on gold after the market opening, then you can also look for a sell position as well if market breaks 3340. Okay, otherwise in a market condition like this, okay, I will not recommend sell position, okay, right after a market opening, because we should not forget that the overall market is still bullish. Okay, and after the market opening, if we see gold is going up, then we can look for a buy above 3362. Okay, and chances of market going for a breakout right at the market opening is very less. Like the market खुलते ही शायद ना जाए, because volume is important, isn't it? Okay, but still during the day, if we see gold is going above 3362 area, we can look for a buy as well. And the role of 3375 is still critical. Okay, let's see how market reacts around 3375. But as of now, let's wait for the market to open. As we all know, there is no direction on gold right now. Okay, gold is struggling for direction. So we are looking for trading opportunities on both sides of the market. Okay, you can clearly see market is choppy. On daily chart, we can clearly see the market is flat. And my difference, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker, then you can consider Star Trader as your best option. Star Trader is not only one of the highest regulated broker, but it is also giving very low spread on a standard account. You can also go with ECN account if you are comfortable paying commissions, but on a standard account, the spread on gold is only 17 or 18. Okay, and the best part is that, okay, there is no hidden charges, no commission. And if you're from India, अगर आप इंडिया से हो, okay, you get a lifetime swap free account. For other countries, there will be swap free for 14 days. So feel free to check out Star Trader. The link will be in the description.